5 minutes is all it takes to change your life. Here's Motivational Minute. The joy of connecting with nature. Today, let's celebrate the joy of connecting with nature. Whether it's a walk in the park, time in a garden, or simply appreciating the beauty of outdoors, nature has a profound impact on our well-being. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and sensations of the natural world. Connecting with nature rejuvenates the spirit and enhances your overall sense of happiness. Thank you for listening. I hope you can resonate this thought during the course of your day today. Until next time, stay strong and stay positive.